This video will show you how to install and use the WS-SCAY accessory. WS-SCAY is an aligner accessory for the flexible wavelength selector and the Supercontinuum laser by YSL Photonics. Spectrolight also provides an aligner accessory for NKT Photonics lasers, the WS-SCAN. Before the installation, you should have 4 components prepared: the YSL Supercontinuum laser, FWS-Poly, WS-SCAY, and a 1.5 mm hex wrench. First, place the aligner to fit the input hole of the FWS-Poly. Then, screw the aligner on carefully by turning it in a clockwise direction. Rotate the aligner until it is secure, but the screw holes are facing up. Open the YSL Supercontinuum output collimator, and then insert the collimator into the aligner. Using the hex wrench, fix the collimator by turning the screws located in the holes on the top of the aligner. Finally, rotate the aligner clockwise until it is fully secure. Turn on the YSL laser and select the desired wavelength using FWS-Poly. By using the knobs on the aligner, the position of the light beam can be precisely adjusted.